There are now more than 1 million confirmed cases worldwide, although the true number...
With the bulk of the migration from traditional classes to online classes at AUIS really just took a few days. But we started planning immediately. Every department came together to make this transition work, from academics to facilities, IT to finance. We came together to make this happen for the entire university. But this has been a real exercise in changing attitudes among students, faculty, and the communities towards the advantages that online learning can bring to our students, especially in a time like this. While we've had challenges, AUIS was well prepared for the transition to online classes because we've already used online resources in our classrooms, such as Moodle, Google, Zoom, and email for everybody in the entire university.
Thank you, AUIS, for not letting the education process to stop in these hard times.
I'm actually glad that we are not wasting time by just standing still, but instead we are using this crisis as an opportunity to try this new experience of having to learn online.
I've been loving online classes because they're helping me manage my time better and be more organized with my work.
I think the students are more comfortable even than some of the faculty with the technology. They are using the shared screen options, sharing their own works with me.
Yesterday, one of our classes that should have been an hour and a half, we actually went to 2 hours. Nobody wanted to leave because we were so engaged.
This move online has really allowed us to feel more connected to the world. This has been a shared experience that is happening in every university. And we've been able to show that even here in Suli, we were able to have the same level of response that is happening everywhere else in the world, but a response that's still rooted in our mission. And that's focused on student-centered learning here at AUIS.